This Kinder King 8-in-1 baby high chair stands out for its ability to transform from a full-height feeding chair into several child-sized seating and play setups as your little one grows. The convertible design lets you use it as a booster at the dining table, a floor seat, a small stool, or even a separate kids' table and chair, so it stays useful well past the first year. Its multi-position tray adjusts to fit different body sizes, doubles as a play surface, and can go straight into the dishwasher, which makes daily cleanup much easier. The frame uses a sturdy triangular layout with snug steel connections, a fixed crotch post, and a 5-point harness, giving a very solid and secure feel even with active toddlers. Parents will appreciate that the double seat cover comes off quickly and wipes clean without fuss, so sticky meals and messy crafts do not become a chore. Overall, this high chair works as a compact all-in-one feeding and activity station that can replace several separate baby and toddler pieces of furniture.